guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be looking at amenities. If you didn't see my previous video about booking policies, this is going to function almost the exact same way. The only difference being where it's located inside of the profile. So when I talk about amenities, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this. So this says like the parking space, credit cards accepted, pets, child friendly, anything like that, basically giving people more information about the things that your space generally seems to be related to the space. Has to offer. So where do we go to find that? Profile, as usual, settings, and then we're going to go down until we come to business details, and then right here, amenities, and you're going to see the things you have to choose from. So whatever you want, save, and then that's going to be reflected inside of the account. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to see how long it takes to be reflected. All right, so it's not immediately, but not that it really matters. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Really short one today. I'm not really going to get into much else. This is just another way to provide a little bit more information to your clients about the things you have to offer. The only difference between the amenities and the booking policies is you do have the ability to write in a little bit of information, kind of like customize, tell people what you offer, as opposed to the amenities. It's just a checkbox. So you either check it off or not, whatever you have available. And then that's just going to give people a little bit more information. Looks like, yeah, about the space, Wi-Fi, loyalty, accessible, credit cards. So these, I'm guessing, are just more commonly requested things that people want to let their customers know frequently enough that it merits adding in a little space about it. Inform your customers about the amenities that make your business stand out. So that's the whole idea behind that, guys. Super simple one today. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. If you did get any use out of this video, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you're going to subscribe to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link down below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, always appreciate your time. See you on the next one.